The AgVentures board came for a farm visit today. Valerie and Emmanuel, the owners of Jireh Family Farm, gave them tours around the farm and showed off some of their projects that were funded by the grant money from the AgVentures program. These included solar array installation, a chicken processing center, and brand new freezer capacity, as well as increased freezer space. It was great to have everyone out on the farm to see what they have been up to with the grant funding and how it has helped them grow into the business they are today.